What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dobson Party of 9. Welcome back to another video. So today,
You saw that?
oh my gosh. So we're in our shed. It's actually a house shed, a shed house.
Yep.
An Airbnb.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, we are working in here today, getting some stuff moved out, and we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. There's gonna be a part 1 and part 2, probably part 3, part 4 to this video. So subscribe, comment down below, tell us how you like it, and let's get on to the video.
Alright, guys, so this is the bathroom. This will be the bathroom, so. Because there's just a shower in it at the moment.
Yeah, it's a small shower. See, let's get inside of it.
There you go. And this will be where the toilet is, right here. The sink, and then the laundry room is going to be right here. This is not our house, guys. This is just a shed with a bathroom and a wall.
Eventually. So we got the walls insulated, sheetrock, and they got painted 2 days ago.
Yeah, and we just need flooring in.
Now we just need to get flooring and baseboards. This wall right here that does not have sheetrock or insulation, we're actually putting reclaimed barn wood on. So you guys are gonna have to wait to see that.
Luna. Come here. Hey, Rosie. Good girl.
Alright, you guys, so we cleaned out the shed and we're about to finish working on the chicken coops just so we can get those so the chickens don't get out.
Dog. Her name is Luna, and she's so pretty. She's a German Shepherd. She looks like a wolf. Come here, Luna. Luna. Tell her why she's skinny. She is skinny because she was brought to us by a family friend. The family she was at did not feed her, and she was abused. And so now we are building her a new home. She has a fence. We've only had her for about a week or so, and she's doing pretty good. We've only ran into a few problems with her getting food off the table and stuff, but you know, she's just a puppy. So we're building her a fence, and we're taking you guys along. Of course, so happy today.
Yep. We don't need that. Because then that's another hole we got to patch. And I got to over this hole. It's just too much.
No, I'm teasing.
Ow. Maybe we could start here and then roll it that way.
Just roll. Now you step on.
Say hi, Mr. Don.
Hi, Mr. Don. Let me go get my cutters.
You got some?
Yeah.
I think we got.
No, those clips are no fun.
Yes, they are.
You like those clips?
Yeah. I like fiddling with
Luna!
Put it right here. And then just put it down here like that. And so she doesn't like... You gonna move? Excuse me. Excuse me, Grace. Grace. Move, Grace. Move, Grace. Excuse me. Go. Go. Oh my gosh.
Ow!
Sorry. Tape measure. It's over there. I need you to go cut a piece of this wire for here. Can you go do that?
So we've almost finished the pin. Mom is screwing the last few boards on to keep Luna from getting into the chicken pen or trying to dig up any holes. Me and Leah are fixing to tie up this last piece of fence because I don't know why we didn't put it all the way over there. So we're just doing it.
The chickens get in here.
I told you. Nah, how you like your home?
You don't have to be tied on the tree anymore, Luna.
There's the final look. She's got like a whole, what, 50 foot